no kurane de e be kan bibia until the omochi you are just wasting your time. Yam fa no to na yenko yanim na yento ansem binom so abusia Ghana for you were somebody papa. When Nana Addo became president of the republic, he decided, said the health of a Ghanaian. Ghana ni babi awa pomo dena honsem hiya papa no. Enti obaye na free health care na andisi fwaye ne basa. Papa no ye den eman ebo modene e retain no. Eman be ye efficient wo de kwa ye hwe yade. Nana Addo wan fancy ho a enam so odwene se sabio governance aye continuity intino enyuma jo Mahama ye ewo ayade apomodren afano Nana Addo make sure say he will complete them. Ability say the University of Wine and Wine Hospital Accra UCG oyane kama Nana Addo am fancy ho. He make sure say the health sector workers no a doctor for a nurse for obema omwakatuam akosoro wa fancy ho. Nana Addo also taught to say se obi yare na opeso nko hospital a emergency si wo babia Ghana ne sabio ambulances mpo ayede fa emergency patient at the Bokro hospital. So Nana Addo bought about 300 ambulances in one time and shared it across the whole country. And when this is for ya ambulance ni begu hospital, they said it was not ready. It is not true. Entro. Nana Addo am fancy ho who say ayare sabia akasa woman num nuswa. Papa ni jina ne nine so ekate short. Esha say to build hospitals across the whole country, 111 hospitals. Enye cheap compound though. I'm talking about hospitals. A big infrastructure. Adentia. Nana Addo believe say Ghana niba ewa pomodene productivity and so arise koso. Which every good politician be, every leader, Edwin. But John Mahama thereby and also in the Abusia and Nana Addo to ambulances Ediama Abanya Juma Yefono. John Mahama ba ya na wouldn't the essere also the Bobo Lance and Eba. Na the me yan say sa Bobo Lance no ye nim ho story ni ye. Enyen DC policy o. Enyen DC policy. That was an MPP policy, but it wasn't like the way that they are doing it. MPP for who says our policy net is no. Enya de bi ya de kese bi say ye di America ye kofa president say o meti ano because a lower level policy. Na ye de ma nkrofo omo yen kan say remote areas wo man no ma omo ye midwives na asefo omo ko na omo akwa ye yen kan say we ne no villages na asefo no. It was just to support them. But MDC ba baimu no nanam say help center omone one record ewo hontino. John Mahama has taken upon himself just to deceive Ghanaians. Say he's bringing something new to Ghanaians. Abuja sabobo yana uhu ewo kurum hono. MPP are buying and a crowded by Ghana baimu. Now one krama said the Baba ye national event. One krama said no Baba ye policy be a ye political discussion in the media. One krama said anadu kujna podium so akasafa sanya mano. Because that was the lower thing that the MPP did. And the MPP didn't sambo to sonombai. the saa cycles no buy abroad one can anye de be amfa ho. The intention was like something additional to the national health insurance policy, no. But then the Mahama buy ya afe baako ene bosumi numunie. Ontumi nya de titro bi amfa ma o mining no. Papa na fa kata na ni to say the bigger project ever in the country. Obwa enye ono a ne kapre nim meba na mebo video de akyerɛw abra the former minister of health, the former deputy minister of health. Edin kyerɛkyerɛmu ba be kyerɛw say John Mahama is a thief, he's a liar, and he's a Turkish man. Because sa abobo ya na ewo ho no sa 3 cycles no enye ono mpo ne toye. Now the difference is, you see, obi on to namoda, na obi ache ne brebo, odi America di kofi akoshe ne yede se ne wabo akonhoma. That is what is happening. The video way na yen samra.
Care program no abe bad no a ehun ko baye bebre no. Yen MPP any me as former deputy minister for health. Kasa ya kasa nyina no bie no ma wakase or boy by say or they that free primary health care no aba. But no credit MPA wo baby. No credit MPA ye no. Ena ama NDC fo no ankasa ehun kire wo mo. Ensemu a omu di hu nkomo no yade no akikire wo mo. Aye ade bi aye aman bi akikire wo mo. Ena ama timmofo ne Ghana fo nyina ehun no se sabe aban te bia poso tu futuro de gu ni peni. Enso no e die aso omu ankasa ehun no se sabe untimi ema kwan yesa. Nye dikai. Sa free primary health care program. Enya de foforo. Eya de e wo hodada. Eya part of our health systems. You want free primary health care right from the chip compounds eba. We the yesu sne kakra wo mu an say health insurance yadi access health care generally in Ghana ya boy abaso no. Eno no mu se mo ma ye mfa nye open say free kra wo ni hwe kra no a na wa fa de saa. Inti no say ukra Ghana card nko a ubetimi aba be yes free primary health care ni bi. A wo hia say ube hia health insurance. That perhaps is the only difference what side we ma ya ka ho asem. Na exam say ya de wo hodada. Na mampani sabe ya mampani a nyonyam wo no ho no di man anim. Ya hyehyɛ saa nyɛma yi anyam ade a wo hodada no ya sa kyekere no ho ntoma. Ane ya de ntoma no ama no sɛ sa pa ho ntoma biom. Na yenye hu dede na edisifo no emfa mom ho abaso say is the biggest social intervention program in Ghana so far dia ya be interrogate na interrogate ye de hu no say enye ade foforo it is gaban no epese chinchina wo man ye ade foforo a ene ne be kire say o tu futuro de gu Ghana fo ani na enye nwanwa esan say sabri no aban no ai ho akire no ama ai say de ne wo pe bibi Edia yachre Ghana for my dear dance dear say ampani ampa no oba be ye bibi foforo ama Ghana for abra yidimu say sadi wedina no enya dia eye foforo gedi kanabo ye to so mienu enne ambulance na ebi ni Ghana ye ba ban mu na ambulance wa Ghana no na enu be ye 15 mpo ya ba beto ambulance be 300 and something this city bia with ambulance. Meaning ambulance services within a period of time, this is about 5 years, also a year retooling. If you know Naso, I will say it to be to ambulance of Fofro. Ambulance service actually near there. Or mino, another abino, and ya, general class of the fiscal theatre. It is all of fact that I try to see Eba at the mama penny say, one more who they go near yes, when ye they baba bois. Yapumudin when they the biggest thing in Yapumudin somewhere. Oh, yeah, Genya, Ubasha Manfo before. Ubasha Manfo before. Because near Waha was a winner. One true and it's a win yet. The Tosso, Agenda 111, the biggest health infrastructure investment in Ghana. So far, the biggest health infrastructure in Ghana. Doba Heniaka. Say, Mampedi. So what is the 24-hour market? Our Miami market. Dada. Yes, sir. Would the Anka had a giant? That be the agenda 111 in my because market today, you will be 24-hour you grab Okamas and Grano, you who the thing you on the night. Mampedi, Nana Addo Danko Kufa, the Kofa and so by, so I can say. A buying fair entity system say, agenda 111, but share the way we be. And no, the Minister for Health kind of said, Sajumi, you know, you know, a trap at the Mabine. If for major infrastructure interventions are no, offer a trap at the Mawabine. Why is it a trap? Not just say, much too many Nadia Mube who be here because but more agenda winning comedy. 3. The biggest drone system in Ghana, in the world, America food in Nara. Eduma dance and money ade. Wo buy your mobitrim. And one for the any adina no, matwagu, much too many. And family, and net the health systems are suffering. The health sector, a bread. Omwa the personnel and the health in Nano is because no minimum was at the boa. Yet also, integrated folder system. Nanka electronic. Mobile mobitrim at the amount before for so depending. Depending ya so, and then we are going back to the folder system. Also be and net kiosk be yet launch a car free primary health care no home. Yes, see about a friendly health post. Minia, ye jai health post you see in the structure of healthcare no. Ye jai health post you see is in the early 70s. 70s when ye jai health post to. And ye shas yes says ye be chip compound. Chip no kurana and crop say ye paso. And net and for chip compound or community, they live there and go to major facilities. Because a near my almost chip compound will be here. No matter how so people are advocated, say chip yes in here, but people want an upgraded chip system. And then most of young come back into those kiosks, more friendly health posts. Are they?
Okay.
These are the issues that a month for food. No one who say. As a year no more bad, one would be a pomodin some air to appreciate. Only dear grow. And Capomodin some dear, and far and people whom far end this because we are day at any pound. Okay, no, we the young Casabia.
Honorable Patrol, a branding we was studio na company no one can come on your team out, but the first point I'll raise it. But the first point I raise on adding up to the existing ambulance fleet no I want say what change here. These tricycles and motorbikes are supposed to enter where these ambulances cannot go. The hinterlands and not tricycles so I see no reason why the government shouldn't be even commended say or do we have an ambulance here ambulance baby an ambulance bet me akono baby a tricycle and a motorbike bet me akono ambulance into me nko
that is neither here nor there.
Oh really?
And then hear me, yes, because you see the argument in the background one ekuye ni must say until on mine Ghana and ne ye wo bia car ain't been ko this a motor first tricycle thing a brand ne ya swap drip machines diama every district you don't need a contractor bet to be kwakwan you bet to be kwakwan ya car bia bet to be afaso no matter the hamlet ne hinterland kura wo what that see tricycles obian condemn in fact tricycles no who won faso say ye de bema ye nuanom community health nurses for then the president tries to obey. And you see, I don't blame the president that much. I blame his appointees. What does it? Because of back for it is the appointees need failure out of frustration. He would have to come and defend the thing. It is not taking the president to come and even explain what these motor tricycles are for. No, president because he spoke out of frustration. What does it? Because really, I am sure, sir, he hasn't bought And I say, and my, in fact, tricycles to the Yembisa say, Mampany, a buying a toy, and I know what that.
Me but now order that na buying a toy. Former deputy health minister.
I know, said na order that.
Not tricycles no order that.
Yes.
Under the MPP administration.
Former to be a kahua, ye nim.
Me but not do send under your tenure.
I knew there were 250.
250 of these tricycles and I'm toy.
Now you the community health nurses for.
Okay. And I'm distributing.
Yeah, distributing. In fact, before I think after elections and now before elections, now I was supposed to have even joined the Ghana Health Service Board in commissioning it. This wasn't going to take even the minister. What I say? A young minister put na about the commission. So what I say? I've seen an invitation na Ghana Health Service Board so from so minister enya da je nti opamicho emejire mo na yan commission we na nko. Nti me kwa me enya da je ankoye. So it went a various districts. But like I'm saying, it was meant for the community health nurses support.
Okay. All right. Honorable, my man now say na yam fan community here. Me point be din komo. Padarma.
Yes, so titi ni yepa. Oti asem papa yi kan ya wo your former minister of health or you be a onim ho asem na oka. That policy Sadia na NDC the bigger, MPP, even the deputy minister for health has no time to go there and what and talk about it. But you were the main president, now listen to what John Papa no obe explaining abreu obe asama po kan twi me nyina te ase ye agenda 111 guwuram amanfo enya baabi enya adwuma nurse fo enya adwuma anya so ye agenda 111 guwuram but ye wa no be gina podium so kasa fa 3 cycles ho adentia NDC is already all things fall apart. Omunyansha say internal election so ena de ekoi na yebe internal election. Now listen to what John Mahama said. He has to come out and explain because Assembly said, "Baby, I can't to me nkono. The set 3 cycle betumi akọ se kwan na nya ye car wa ho den say 3 cycle." And the Assembly papa we kano it makes sense say it was made for community midwives so betumi roam about in the town, in the village to move to one place and another. But Mahama ni policy ntino. Adia deputy minister kwenya nkwa Ura Mahama ejina ha church them. Listen.
Those tricycles are meant for the health workers and the health volunteers to go from village to village for screening. That is what they are meant for. And so at the back of the tricycle, they have a compartment where they can keep vaccines. To keep the vaccines cool, it's at the back of the tricycle. In the north, a lot of our sisters who are health workers can ride motorcycles. And so when they go for health screening, they use motorcycles. In the south, many of the health workers cannot ride a motorcycle. But you need to give them a means of transport to be able to go and do the work you've given them. So in the southern parts where the health workers cannot ride motorcycles, they'll be given tricycles to go from village to village to do their work. In the north where they know how to ride motorcycles, the CHIPS compound will have a motorcycle. Our sister who's the nurse, she'll sit on it, she'll put equipment behind her and ride to the village and go and give them the attention they want. So let me emphasize again, those tricycles are not ambulances. I've seen a lot of people try to denigrate them and say that we're going to bring these as ambulances. They are not ambulances. They are vehicles for the health workers who are engaged in the primary health care program to go to the village, deliver vaccinations, and then also to do health screening, test people's high blood pressure to see if it's high, test their sugar level to see if they are developing diabetes. That is what those vehicles are meant for. And so I hope this will end all that arguments and things on the social media. Those tricycles, once again, are not ambulances. They are vehicles for the free primary healthcare volunteers to go around and do their work.
Yes, say only bibia. Aye. Oye denya wanim eno ana odinam. Ni sunu ne ban eno ani deceiving people. Deceiving people. Because that a first prime one and one or more we have already free health insurance policy. What are that? Health insurance policy now they are linked to our Ghana card or oblige every Ghanaian to have identity. John Mahama is saying, say, the idea be by a friend a primary health care service. Unkita Ghana card, you will be to me access to treatment. One with Jimmy. Adia ye dia fa kwambi so an for so amam for so mbe Ghana card no. Ye hu ba bi omo te ba bi omo ye ne hwan no. John Mahama e de emra e ba won Ghana card kura na obetumi akọ. Hey akọ we ye already nyankopọ ye na Ghana for mo ho ye me nwa. Na ti asem na ye kan asem foforo ha. Agenda 111 hospital so. Ahanta hospital no. E ye complete o. But the Minister of Health Ataminka Akano say MPP4 are setting a record. Or setting a trap by initiating the policy of Agenda 111.
The hospitals, and already we know the tiers in which the hospitals are.
Yeah.
And in relation to these hospitals, Agenda 111, the question then is, for this year and next year, how many do you intend or have you targeted to be able to complete?
For the Agenda 111?
Yes.
About 10.
About 10?
Yes.
Okay.
So we have targeted 10 to be completed this year. I mean, for you to see contractors going back to site to begin the construction. 10. They must go back to site to begin the construction.
How many do you intend making functional?
For the year, depending on the level of completion.
Wow.
Yeah, because there are some you can clearly...
Question here, dialect. Agenda 111 do say na be complete. When animu ye, they have intention to abandon the project. Say no be complete. I will say I will send 10 contractors to the site. Abusia. O say o ye den wo pe fufu adi. John Mahama say he wants to give a health center bia health ministry a ye adwuma ye. Oba ye. He see hospitals. Say no cresa o pese improve the treatment of Ghanaians when they are sick. I didn't I want to aso. Yet to sumienu. O see you want to come and implement a DBFN automatic posting for nurses and doctors. Oba ye see Agenda 111. Say no cresa pese o man nurse for adumanya. Why don't you complete that Agenda 111 and employ nurses and teachers, nurses and doctors? Now over to me as sustaining the demand of health treatment amagana for omo jai no omo safa ho we think kwase asem o kan what you
see that the science
yes there are about 3 of them that the civil works. Health facility is not only the brick and mortar
and the equipment, some
have it there. Personnel, brick and mortar, technology.
Now look at something. Look at the posture of Minta Akando. Very arrogant. Who better TV so I can't check Ghana for say a hospital offend saying Brooks any more tanko. Arrogant contact. Say the Ghana for a more nimunyansa. Now what trans can and 9 ton and 9 so a position as a higher than the others. To me, when we say ni padre, sika ese ni padre. When you want to see the rare character of a human being, just give him money and power. And within 1 week time, you see his character. Look at the posture of Mintan Kano. Very arrogant and very, he had that feeling of being superior than anyone. Listen to the nonsense.
And all that. So there are some that I believe that we can finish as early as possible. That I agree with you. Those ones we are expert. In fact, as I speak to you now, I've instructed that those contractors must go back to site immediately.
Okay. And
I believe that within the week they will mobilize and go back to site, and we are going to finish those ones. Okay. And then we will have to phase out the rest and to be able to put them to good use. We are not going to abandon any of them. But you see, Roland, it hurts when, I mean, that person who was supposed to plan well, that person who was supposed to complete the project, that who assured all of us. You remember at the first instance, it was from 77 to 111.
It was actually 88.
88, thank
Announced in April.
Fantastic.
The COVID year. Yeah.
And when we were told that they were going to use 16 months to complete everything. And when he was pushed further, he said, oh, I'll make sure that I complete all the 111. Then, less than 2 years down the lane, you say, hey, go and finish all. Oh, my brother, let's be realistic to ourselves. So,
waba bedi what uofa there. Oba e wo face dan. Wan see awie no wu ye. Ye bisa wanye ho adwuma wie no wu ye. Ye bisa say da be na obeto aso. Abusua sika gu ho. Fa ye adwuma na. You are now complaining say adenti ono ntima wie. Sika so we so mfa wie. Adentia. But the NDC don't care about the ordinary Ghanaian. The NDC care about the party slogan. The NDC believe in how they can keep Ghanaians underdogs to the party. NDC don't want to continue this Agenda 111 project to what? To show the good job and the good initiative of Nana Addo. Enti wabe dia kunya, oye the health minister, ye see hospitals are hodo, o see a trap. Untia se di ntia yensi dynamic, papa, waba aso. Very simple. Waba aso we na manesi fonya jumanya na magana for manya babi nkosa ya de. Yentu
Okay. They are still legacy projects nonetheless.
It's a trap they have set.
They set a trap.
Yes. Because this is a project that they think that, look, and right from day one, as a ranking member,
you kept saying that they should have narrowed it.
Exactly. And I said that they had no intention of completing this Agenda 111. I said it, Roland.
Yes, you did.
Yes. And so
but at the end of the day, you have inherited this as a minister.
I'm saying that it's a trap. We'll solve it. They won't get us into that trap. Okay. The trap is that, okay, let's start all these constructions. Get into elections, we'll go back to them. Vote for us and let's continue. If we lose the election, we'll put pressure on government to finish. If they don't finish, they'll say, oh, they have abandoned the project. It's a trap. But we'll have a way of navigating through this trap. So we'll put all these things.
Contractors will go back to site
to start
and
with.
Then those that are close to you try to see.
Exactly.
Because your argument is that even after completion, you still need to get clearance to make sure you get the right personnel in there and all that.
And Tabushame, may I say, I'm making sure say, "Abai bibana nipa dasani apomudre honsem ehiana." He will never come and tell you what this man is telling us today. Very annoying. Na ebiana hospitals na ye ka ho asem. Unyante ase. Ebiti say Ahanta Agenda 111 hospital. It is almost complete. The video when I heard there. And you complete. They just have to go there and to make people start working. What they heard there, video.
The Ahanta West Municipal Hospital, Bokro, is part of over 100 hospital projects the MPP government under Nana Addo rolled out in an effort to improve health infrastructure across the country. This was named Agenda 111. In December 2024, the president commissioned 3 of those hospitals, including the one in Bokro. Since then, nothing has happened here. Joel Kweku is a unit committee chairman for this area.
In fact, we're going to Madam Koho, I know you or Chade or the hospital in Yuma. But we why any assets now you won't or Chade hospital will be a Oguduli Yuma. Don't know how I am Bokro, especially Hunter West, or how you because what's will be last Malaya or Bokram Anupumanam Agenda 111 Johnson the Diana. Moon the ambulance be about crosswalk. Abadi, I was what they Obeba, but perhaps the hospital in Yejuba. All promote to each other, Nippon Port, what didn't be a few what I know another baby them. Tomo or Hoyen, a din that they will be, and so hospital in Yejuba.
This is the Agenda 111 project in Bokro, in the Ahanta West municipality. This was one of the few commissioned by former President Nana Addo before he left office. Now, after the facility was commissioned, nothing has happened. And today, a closer look at the facility shows a level of deterioration happening. The major question the resident of this municipality asking is, what is government doing to put this facility to use?
nti yɛbɛsrɛ abana wa abade ɔmboa yɛn na ɔhwɛ na hospital no yɛ adwuma man because yɛn wakyerɛ yɛn paa especially yɛwɔ nkurase wɔ yɛn side a Kamfakurom Ampata no Asama.
Albert Anderson and Kofi, residents here like Joel, say they only want government to do right by the people of Bokro and Ahanta West as a whole.
Was by now police ganka for now de me anka de bla lelo no be mai yeso say yamre adomna say kuri hospital so fra my area na so de ni bebre say kura boa ye menu ma mare mo 77 patro bi o ma pede ba kodone a bokoro kodone be de yeso ko wa menu bebre wo tun ma amze done because adakina say scam pro typical anaka odika be ku a e de mo akavakari na wa ho atu ajaka be kwan asala say twike na meseke be for yo no be obayo.
I will hope that the government will come and do it best so that the facility will operate. We are waiting for government to put in the facilities so that it will start operating.
The government in its 2026 budget committed 100 million cedis to complete 10 of the Agenda 111 hospitals this year. The question then is, when will the Bokro hospital be operationalized? For Joy News, Samuel Kojobrace.
Yes, and Tibia now what to say a cancer hospital now you're ready now. Who inside now engineer. Maybe both video be actually the inside of the hospital. No be someone say why is John Mahama not commissioning this big facility? Able to me ajini pankwa ewo manum. Video way.
Bokro and the Western region.
The facility. And also the outside of the facility shows clearly. Say this is one of the best Agenda 111 hospitals. His Excellency Nana Addo for the day.
With taxpayers' money, and the idea did you come say, will be politics in team person culture say and they are not putting people in to come and work. You can clearly see Hannah Boom Putro. You can clearly see that it's a cost to the taxpayer just because it was done by one party or one government, which government you were not part of. One of the machines that has been fitted here, clearly everything is also in place. Somebody told us at other places, said because you mortuary, the started hospital in a year. Here, the mortuary has been completed. People were telling us that mortuary should be a condition precedent. So you can see that all the generators are well fit here. A bit to me, within the shortest possible time. Any serious government who want to operationalize this hospital, in fact, this hospital, the completion level, doctors' quarters. If any doctor or nurse or any medical practitioner is posted to this place, all these quarters has been completed. And then you may have Bokro and now Bokro in the Ahanta West municipality in the Western region. This facility just a economy, and so if anybody tells you that this facility is incomplete, if anybody tells you that this facility cannot be operationalized, that person is lying to you. Honorable Minister can say a mortuary one way or the other. Mortuary operationalize the hospital. I said it that a mortuary cannot be a condition precedent for us to be able to operationalize a hospital. However, in this hospital, we have mortuary. So why is the minister not allowing us to operationalize this hospital? Or why is the minister not operationalizing this hospital? I charge the government and the NDC to make sure say the Bokro Agenda 111 hospital that is situated in the Ahanta West municipality is ready. It has been commissioned. Please post human beings here. Why are we wasting taxpayers' money? Is it because it is not our government that did it? Why? We cannot allow this to happen. In creating jobs, because His Excellency the President, you told us that you are going to create jobs. This is not the way, or this cannot be the strategy for you to be able to create jobs. Thank you.
And Tiana Dahono, I Mahama there, the second coming word there, it is just to kill people. The hospital side, the young fancy